To add a new remote key fob to the alarm panel, press enter, use the down arrow to set up, enter the password, enter, down arrow to edit zones, enter, edit remote, enter, down to your first empty space, enter, add, turn on device, press any button on the remote control, enter, it'll ask you to repeat it, press any button again, enter, to add a second remote, down to the next empty space, enter, add, any button on the remote control, enter, any button again, enter, continue with however many remote controls you want to add, and then using the back arrow back to the main menu.